for a grammar test? Yup. Okay, so I give you some words and I want you to make a sentence which is true about you. I prefer tea to coffee. You're right. How about this one? I prefer driving a car to riding a bike. You're right again. And this one? I prefer to watch a movie to read a book. No, it's wrong. You should say I prefer to watch a movie rather than read a book. اولین ساختارمون این هستش. Prefer something to something else. For example, I prefer tea to coffee. دومین ساختارمون این هستش. Prefer doing something to doing something else. به عنوان مثال I prefer driving a car to riding a bike. و اما ساختار سوم prefer to do something rather than do something else. شاید سوال پیش بیاد براتون که چرا این دو رو توی پرانتز نوشتم. به این دلیل که اگر فعلمون تکراری باشه میتونیم اونو حذف کنیم. به عنوان مثال I prefer to drink tea rather than drink coffee. ببینید اینجا drink تکرار شده و برای اینکه از تکرار جلوگیری کنیم میتونیم درینک دوم رو حذف کنیم و بگیم I prefer to drink tea rather than coffee.